What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something special for you. These are 5 brand new AI websites you probably haven't heard of, but they can seriously boost your income in 2025. Let's jump right in. 1. Durable.co. Durable is an AI website builder that lets you create a fully functional business website in under 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. Just type your business idea, and Durable generates a custom site with pages, images, and text. People are using it to sell digital services, products, and build niche blogs without hiring a web designer. 2. Opus.pro. Perfect for content creators and YouTubers. Opus turns your long YouTube videos, podcasts, or webinars into multiple short, viral clips for social media. It uses AI to pick the best moments, add captions, and even optimize for engagement. Sell this as a service to influencers and make $500 to $1,000 a month easily. 3. Designs.ai. This is an all-in-one AI design suite. It lets you create logos, social media posts, voiceovers, and videos, all in one dashboard. Super handy for freelancers offering digital marketing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even your own website. 4. QuickReply.ai. If you run an e-commerce store, this one's gold. QuickReply.ai is an AI chatbot that instantly replies to customer messages on WhatsApp and Instagram DM. It saves tons of time and increases sales by answering customer queries 24/7. 5. Taplio.com. This is a LinkedIn content AI tool that helps you write viral posts, schedule content, and grow your network automatically. LinkedIn is a goldmine for business leads right now, and people are charging $300, $500 monthly to manage LinkedIn pages using Taplio. My favorite pick, Durable.co, because it lets you launch digital businesses instantly, without coding or design skills. Hit that like button if you found this useful, and subscribe for more AI tools and side hustle ideas coming up.